Welcome to Exam Sales Comprehensive Guide to the Cisco Enterprise Networks Core and WAN Exam. In this video, we will break down the exam syllabus into its constituent domains, discussing the key topics and concepts you need to master to succeed. The exam is divided into 6 domains, each with a specific weightage. The domains are Intelligent WAN, UN at 30%, Cisco TrustSec at 20%, Application Visibility and Control, AVC, at 15%, Akamai Connect at 15%, UN Secure Services at 10%, and Cloud Connector at 10%. Let's begin with the Intelligent WAN, UN domain. This domain focuses on enterprise WAN architecture and traffic management using PFR and DMVPN. Key topics include DMVPN Phase 3 implementation, where you will learn about dynamic multipoint VPN architecture, next hop resolution protocol operations, and multipoint GRE interface configuration. In UN, you will also learn about performance routing, PFRv3, which includes domain policies and roles, master controller and border router functions, and traffic classes and path selection criteria. Make sure to study monitoring delay, loss, and jitter via IP slaw, as well as application-based routing optimization and PFRv3 peering and hub and spoke topology. The Cisco TrustSec domain is worth 20% of the exam and focuses on identity-aware security and policy-based access control. Here, you will learn about TrustSec architecture and security group tags, SGTs, including SGT assignment and propagation, SGT exchange protocol fundamentals, and security group access control lists, SGACLs. In the Application Visibility and Control, AVC, domain, worth 15% of the exam, you will learn about application-level monitoring and performance tuning. Key topics include AVC components and integration, next-generation network-based application recognition, NBAR2, and quality of service, COS integration with AVC. Akamai Connect, also worth 15% of the exam, covers WAN optimization through HTTP object caching and Akamai technology. Study Akamai Connect architecture on Cisco ISR WAS, transparent HTTP/HTTPS object caching, pre-positioning of content for branch users, and bandwidth savings and user experience metrics. The UN Secure Services domain is worth 10% of the exam and focuses on edge security and direct internet access protection. Key topics include secure direct internet access, DIA, zone-based policy firewall, ZBFW, in UN, and intrusion prevention system, IPS deployment at the edge. In the Cloud Connector domain, worth 10% of the exam, you will learn about extending enterprise services to cloud environments. Study Cisco Cloud Connectors and Umbrella, Cloud Intelligent Network, SIN concepts, and DNS layer security implementation on ISRs.